to meet my friend. Together with the parents, one at a time. On the left side is the female South American feline that we have. And our newest trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Icy. Together with Trainer Grace, say hi. While on the other side is the youngest female South American feline that we have. And our newest trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, lovely tiger. Her name is Sandra. Together with Trainer Danny, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fish or feathers for a marine mammal? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front fingers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term meaning bed may be also translated as wing bed. Since their fingers to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be lying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies?
Adam.
And you know, they're often saying that still because they look very on the line. But some people can degree of view, and until I am the fact, they are bigger or flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something you can do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of the rubber block for feline fans. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Look, check this out. How flexible, right? How about the rubber block for feline fans? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short, soft hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerves, fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile! Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid and navigation, or to detect vibrations from beneath the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of hearing, photograph, and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see with both and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, not walking in space cycles, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky terrain. Well, check this out. Here's those rock flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Icy, the pretty cat. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers